I'm reporting everybody's fucking accounts. I'm reporting all their accounts.
I go home.
I don't care.
I go home. You know, I go home. I go home.
I'm going home too as soon as I figure out what's up.
I need to finish the stream. I think I'll see you tomorrow maybe. I go home. You go home. I have to go home. This is my iPhone. Can you put my wait, I put somebody text me happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I have happy birthday. Oh, wait, one second. Chat. Tomorrow we have a good time together, chat. Tomorrow is like a birthday. Birthday what? Today is a birthday.
One good.
Huh?
How do you say one good?
No, I mean today is
How do you say happy birthday?
Today, no, now it's not a birthday.
You grabbed my boob and my
No, I clap your hand. I said
You
today.
grabbed both. You did. No.
Yeah. Stop. I said today
No.
chat today is just not like half. Tomorrow I have 24-hour stream. Have to.
Money. You dropped money.
But like tomorrow, I'll text you. You wake up early. I wake up early, and I mean.
Did you just say that you would wake up early?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Him.
And you're gonna wake up early?
Yes.
So
I have to wake up early.
Are you saying that
I still have to talk with you about tomorrow?
Are you saying that Pim is gonna wake up early?
One second, chat.
Is that what you're saying?
I need to call Grab.
Chat, you guys hear this,
no,
right?
I need to go home. I wanna go home.
Hey, chat.
I wanna go home.
Pim and waking up early. Does that sound like nothing?
I go to dentist today. He was like fixing my tooth, and then he was like,
You just said you're gonna wake up early. Do you know that?
Don't believe me. I never wake up
Don't
early.
believe me, just watch.
I'm a suck streamer, chat.
Sorry.
I am fucking suck streamer. I am like suck.
You don't suck.
I did.
You don't.
I.
You suck somebody?
No, I mean I'm suck with the
You
stream.
suck somebody?
Can we go to McDonald's?
You don't suck. No, that's our after stream place. No.
You wanna go to McDonald's?
No, that's our after stream special place.
I wanna go at the McDonald's.
Oh shit, didn't I call a car?
I will go McDonald's. Come on, let me go at McDonald's. Chat, I am going to McDonald's. I wanna eat ice cream.
I've never been there with you on stream. It's always after stream. And we have our girl talk, our drunken girl talk.
You wanna have a girl talk?
No, the off-stream drunk girl talk.
Chat, we need a girl talk off stream. I need to rate you somebody. I say song and I don't know, chat. One second, chat. Why is my throat? Chat, today is my birthday, right? It's not like very special day. It's just another birthday. Like it's just another day. Like it's not thing special. But thank you everybody for the support today. We still have tomorrow. I mean tomorrow I will wake up early and we have 24-hour stream tomorrow. But like if you still naked here, chat, you know what is Twitch Prime? You can subscribe for free and you can subscribe for free. You don't have to pay. I mean you have to pay for the Prime, like Amazon Prime. But for me you can subscribe for free. Yeah, you know. I have been so many times. I go home then. I go home.
That scared me. I haven't heard an alert on there so long. That scared me.
Tom Fields Amazing Man tipped $10.
Thank you for the $10. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you for the $10.
Happy birthday.
Use your free Prime gaming subscription. Your Amazon account is linked to Twitch. Join the PayPal family. Who is still naked in chat? I saw this guy is naked chat I do go is he is naked thank you my fellow friend for the rate for today I really appreciate you guys and I will see you guys again tomorrow crowd I have to wake up tomorrow because I have to do 24-hour stream tomorrow
Okay.
but we still but like we still have to think about condition and stuff I think I will go sleep with you
Okay.
and we can think about the stuff yeah okay then call grab taxi I go
So no McDonald's? No. That?
oh I want to eat chicken at McDonald's actually chat I have
Oh,
to
you're
go
still streaming?
she asked me are you still streaming
No, because I thought I heard you say bye or something. Okay, just.
I didn't say bye okay we go eat first
No, I thought.
we go eat first and then after
I
we
would've
eat
first
we
thing
go
you
to
said that we didn't need to use.
what
Love
what
this monument right here. What is this? What is this?
Victory Monument
What is it for?
for monument
Victory Monument is for monument.
Victory Monument is for monument Victory Monument is for monument
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you Thomas for another 10
$10.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Feliz cumpleaños, Saiti. Feliz cumpleaños, Saiti. Feliz cumpleaños, Saiti.
Oi,ไม่ใช่
What?
Thank you so much for another 10 chat. I want to eat chicken. I want to eat chicken.
Okay, let's go.
I want to have chicken, okay? Can you order?
Chicken, guy.
Chicken fry.
I don't know how to say fried.
ไก่ทอด
I don't know that tone.
ไม่ใช่ไก่ทอด
It sounds
Guy
like
Todd.
It sounds like
ไก่ทอด
It sounds like cortod.
Okay, I will sit here and then you go order. I want chicken fry.
Oh no.
Give me a wing.
No, you're coming with me because
No.
I'm gonna fuck it up.
Crowd, you can. I need chicken.
Come here. Listen, oh, they don't even have like a
Chicken.
Can I use the thing? Can I use the kiosk?
See how can do it now? Oh, we wait this one.
Oh, the music, man.
Oh, I want chicken. I want
One of
chicken.
these.
I want this one. Oh no, this one. Some more.
This one?
Sure. We get the small one, right? Shop.
This one, right?
อันนี้เป็นปีกใช่ไหมคะ
อันนี้ลูกค้าเลือกส่วนได้
เอาเป็นน่อง
มันเป็นไก่
Can I get a fish sandwich?
ขออนุญาตดูในตู้สักครู่นะคะที่นอก
Good timing, chat. Good timing.
เอาเป็นน่อง
Then they have chicken. This is our special place. This is our special off-stream place.
ตอนนี้เหลือแต่ปีกอกแล้วก็สะโพกค่ะลูกค้านอกหมดแล้ว
ไม่เป็นไรค่ะได้เอา
แล้วเป็นเผ็ดหรือไม่เผ็ดหรือว่าผสมดีคะ
เอาเป็นผสมค่ะ ผสมแต่ว่าเป็นถ้าเกิดว่าเยอะกว่าอันนี้เป็นอันไหนคะ
ถ้าเยอะกว่า
อันนี้หรือเปล่าหรือว่าอันนี้
อันนี้มันจะมีรายละเอียดบอกอยู่ค่ะ
ถ้างั้นเอาอันนี้ก็ได้ค่ะ I'll take this one
Okay.
okay
Yes.
เอาเป็นโค้ก
And a Coke.
ดื่มรับเป็นอะไรดีคะได้2แก้ว
เป๊ปซี่เหมือนกันค่ะ
ได้มีเป็นโค้กได้ไหมคะ
เอา
ตอนนั้นแก้วเราเป็นแบบทำหรือแบบคิวคะ
บาร์บีคิวค่ะ
ได้ค่ะแล้วเป็นทานี่นะคะ
Why do I have to order I'm not you
ลูก
I'm
ค้ารับเป็นทานี่นะคะ
ใช่ค่ะท่าน
ทั้งหมด299 บาท
Can I go now?
300 baht
I didn't make mine.
huh
I didn't make my order. No,
we
I'll
eat
buy
together
I,
no we eat
I
together
don't. No, I want a quarter pounder.
1,000 baht
I want a quarter pounder. Quarter
คอน
pounder.
อันนี้ค่ะ
ออเดอร์รับเป็นแค่เบอร์เกอร์นะคะ
เบอร์เกอร์
Yes, just the burger and then water.
Water.
Burger, a burger. And water.
เอาน้ำเปล่าด้วยค่ะ water